Pagkukulang sa legislation, it's always the implementation. Wala pa naman po tayo nababalitaan na nakukulong, napaparusahan na smuggler ng rice o na nagmamanipula ng presyo ng bigas. Yun po siguro ang kailangan nating tutukan. Siguraduhin na may maparusahan at mahuli at maparusahan na yun na sila ang dahilan kung bakit mataas ang presyo ng bigas.
Yes, go ahead, Sir Abelas.
Yeah, I read the comments of Secretary Kiko Laurel during the hearing of the rice tariffication. At ang sinabi ni, I recall it right, ang sabi ni Secretary Laurel ay, kung pwede raw ibalik sa NFA ang full authority na parang magkakat magbenta. Kasi marami silang buffer stock, marami sila. At kung maibibenta lang nila ito, malaking bagay to stabilize the prices. I think it's worth looking into. Kasi matagal na itong rice tariffication. Of course, may amendment tayo kailan naman. Tignan na natin ito. But, you know, very disturbing itong sinabi ng no less than the Secretary of the Agriculture. Maganda intensyon, but sinabi niya pa ito, minamanipulate ng ilang cartel ang bigas. Which is really very obvious. So how do you fight it? One thing is, siguro through this, tignan natin if baka pwedeng ibalik natin itong full powers na binigay na ito. It could be reviewed. Another thing is, of course, para sa akin dito ay tama po sinasabi ng mga kasama ko dahil na-experience ko ito sa Mandaluyong nung araw na yung, I think is Aliaga ng Baisia, nag-drought, tinatapon yung kalabasa, yung mga gulay, kaliwat kanan. Binili namin sa Mandaluyong, kailangan ng ubang po namin. So dito naman sa Maynila, kailangan ng ating mga kababayan dito, ang gulay, nakatulungan tayo dito sa probinsya, nakatulong pa rito. So imagine if all local government would be doing this. Ang laking bagay po ito. Okay. Of course, yung Goods and Food and Sustainability, may mga programa po tayo dyan. Sa iba ko naman po ito i-discuss. But for me, it's worth looking into is nabi ko po kanina about sa rice tariffication. Thank you.
Yes, go ahead.
I agree with the review of the rice tariffication. Yung ipinasa po rice tariffication law, wala po ako sa Congress. And I've been there, I would have objected. Marami pong mali marami pong butas yung rice tariffication law. Inalisan po ng kapangyarihan yung NFA, kaya nagka-leche-leche. Hindi rin po pwede magbenta ng NFA ng bigas. Kaya wala ka na makita. Sabi namin, palitan siguro, kadiwa rice. Wala pa rin nangyayari, kailangan natin ng batas. I think it's high time that we review that. Pangalawa, I will also agree with Dito said, kailangan talagang bilihin sa mga farmers kasi mga middleman lang po ang kumikita. Yung farm gate, ganito ang presyo. 18, 19, 20, 32 pesos. Pagdating sa palengke, nasa 40, 50. Kanina, nag-ikot-ikot po kami sa Muntinlupa. May nakikita na po ako ng 40 pesos dahil galing na Sunar na Ecija, nag-aani na sila. So, malaki pong kinikita. Alisin po natin yung middleman, bababa po ang presyo. Pangalawa, let the NFA do its job. Otherwise, ginawa lang po natin bodega ngayon ng NFA. Ano bang saysay that NFA was created by the government back in the 70s para yan po imbakan natin ng pagkain. E ngayon po, imbakan na lang ng bigas. Hindi pa makapagbenta ng bigas. We need to review the RTL law now. Salamat po.
Salamat. Go ahead, your thoughts, Congresswoman Camille Villar.
Yes, actually, I agree that with the suggestions of my colleagues that perhaps right now, for us to bring down the price of rice ngayon as soon as possible, we may have to look into the government subsidizing or buying the rice for the farmers. In the longer term, yes, perhaps the RTL should be reviewed like all laws kasi times change. So, nung napasa po yan, may mga factors na na-consider, there were certain conditions, pero hindi naman natin mapagkakailan na matagal na rin yung panahon at iba na rin yung conditions ngayon at dapat ma-review na yan. Pero in the long term, para siguraduhin natin yung supply ng bigas at siguraduhin natin yung food security natin, we should also empower our farmers and make sure that the infrastructure is there and the support is there for them to produce rice efficiently and at a lower cost. So, yun yung mas long-term solution for me.
Yes.